I am going to explain everything how you can place PPT presentation in the background of your Zoom meeting. First of all, you need to click on New Meeting. So meeting is started. I need to on my video, start a video. Now you can see me. This is me. Now you can go to this option, share screen. Click on this option, advanced. You can see this option is in beta version. The option name is PowerPoint as virtual background. So you need to click on this option. Select the PowerPoint file. Now you can see me. This is me, and you can see the background. I can exchange the slides. You can see it is looking professional, and you can see it is looking a lot good. So I think you can be able to do it. It is very easy. And in case you find this video helpful, friends, just hit on the like button and subscribe my channel for my upcoming videos. Bye bye friends, take care.